Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, when the 6-digit number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is divided by 8, the remainder is 5. List both possible values of the digit of n. So what this basically is, if you think about this enough and then you write out an equation, it would basically look like this is divisible by 8. So if we solve for that, that would be 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. And using the rule of divisibility for 8, that means that the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Watch my previous videos. So 6 and 2 has to be divisible by 8. So we're going to take that idea and using the idea that since 600 is already divisible by 8, kind of like if you have some digits of 3, like 3, 6, 9, like 3, 6, 2, and you're trying to see if it's divisible by 3, then you can cross out the 2 that are already divisible by 3 and just look for the last one. And this one has the same idea. Since 600 is already divisible by 8, you can disregard that for now. So this basically equals 600. Let's go over 600 plus n2 has to be divisible by 8. So taking that idea, since 600 is already divisible, we're going to take n2 has to be divisible by 8. So what integers that end with a 2 are divisible by 8? Well, one of them, obviously, is 3. So n could equal 3, since 32 divided by 8 is 4. N could also equal 7, since that would be 72, and 8 times 9 is 72. So the two possible values of the digit of n would be 3 and 7. Moving on to problem number 2, if two positive integers have a greatest common divisor of 1, GCD, and least common multiple of 57, LCM, what are the two possible values of the larger of the two integers? So there's a formula out there that you guys might know, you might not, or you might have just not heard of it as a formula but have heard of it before and just use it without knowing. If like say A and B, if GCD A, B equals 1, then A times B would equal the LCM of A and B. So basically what I'm saying is, if two numbers are relatively prime, then their least common multiple would basically be themselves multiplied together, like 2 and 3, for example. So if they have a greatest common divisor here looking at a problem, then say AB is the two numbers in our problem. So AB would equal 57. Or their LCM AB would also equal 57. Wait, let me just write it like that. LCM AB equals 57. So taking that idea now, what are the two possible values of the larger of the two integers? So 57, we can start breaking this down. 57 could equal 57 times 1. It could also equal 3 times 19. And we are looking for the two possible values of the larger of the two integers. So for the first one, it's obviously 57. For the second, it's 19. So we can write that 57 and 19. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!